Hi, this is Brent with KansasHydrographics.com, back with another pattern review. We call this Army Camo 2. It is 1 meter wide. It's mostly a dark gray, light gray, and transparent print. These videos get a little monotonous because we do the same thing over and over and over, and all we're trying to do is show you the prints in use, but sometimes it gets a little old for us too. We might have to spice things up here in the next couple videos. Maybe a spoof video or something, because these are all about the same. Alright, that is Army Camo 2. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.